In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Tesla shares or Tesla stocks on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, Kraken has just released their new xStocks. If we go to explore, we can see how they have stocks now. Those are basically digital tokens on the blockchain that will represent the real price of the actual stocks on the real life market. So if we want to buy Tesla, all you need to do is go to buy, and then here just search for Tesla and you will find the stock. So this is the current price right now, and let's say we want to buy, for example, 5 shares of Tesla. Then we will use to like this, then select a payment method. You can either buy with debit or credit card, or you can deposit cash on your Kraken account if you don't have any cash yet. So in my case, if I go to my wallet, you will see how I only have Litecoin and I don't have cash, which will be the fiat currency, which can be USD, euros, any dollars, or whatever you use in your country. So if you want, you can even do it with crypto. Let's say you want to buy using Bitcoin, or I don't know, in my case, for example, I have Litecoin, so I could just sell it to USD or any fiat currency, and this way I will get USD, which I can later spend on the Tesla stock. So that's how you can buy Tesla stocks using Kraken. After that, whenever you want to sell them, after holding them for a long time or whenever you want, you can just go to sell and sell them right here. And you can even withdraw the profits or any money you have gotten with that by clicking withdraw and then getting a transfer directly into your bank account. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.